So just like I promised you guys, I was gonna make a video about my first experience going to a tech conference, the Commit Your Code conference. So I'm very pumped. I'm already at the airport, as you can see. So here's the thing. I just received a text by the airline saying that the flight is delayed for an hour. So I'm still arriving at the same time, which is okay. And I'm not like too nervous about it because I decided to go to Texas a day before the event, just in case anything happened. So it's okay. It really doesn't matter what time I get there. As long as I get there, I'll be just fine. Yeah. See you guys there. We're getting ready to board the plane right now. So yeah, I'm excited. Here we go. So I just landed like 10 minutes ago. So now I'm most likely gonna have dinner here at the airport because it's easier. I'd rather just get it out the way. And then, oh no, I'm filming myself. And sorry. And it's okay. I still got it. It's okay. And yeah, so basically now I'm just gonna get something to eat here at the airport, and then I just head to the hotel. And yeah, I'll start my day inside my room. And I already know, like, all of these videos, a lot of you guys love to see and get like a room tour. So here goes mine. So as soon as you get in, you get a fridge. We have a kitchen right here, and immediately there's amazing living space, my own desk, a little living room so I can chill. And then this beautiful bed is massive. And then the entertainment station, and it has my name in there. So nice. And let me see, there's like a goodie bag. Oh, welcome, commit your code. Oh, that's sweet. And then a closet. And yeah, it's very nice. It's very big. And let me show you guys the bathroom. I know people like to see the bathroom. So here it goes. A beautiful bathroom. Whoa, I'm very handsome. And yeah, this is the shower, a standing shower, and it gets the job done. So yeah, that's the tour. And now I'm gonna put my things together and I'm gonna head downstairs because a lot of people of the meetup, they're already in the lobby chilling, talking. So I want to go and meet some people. And yeah, see you guys.
We were all playing.
So essentially what is happening here is there's a room 402 that was booked for the sole purpose of people to actually, from the conference, to get to know each other. The ones staying at the hotel. So this is right now what's taking place. Most of us are staying in this hotel, and yeah, they just booked this room for everybody to like hang out, get to know each other. We have like snacks here. We also have drinks for people that want to drink, whether it's soda or water or whatever. So yeah, it's pretty fun, this room so far. So I just got back to my room. It's about 12:01 a.m. The little meetup that took place in room 402 was a success. I met a lot of great people, and I'm looking forward to the conference. So we already started with a good start. So now I'm gonna go take a shower, go to sleep and rest, because the big conference, the big day, is tomorrow. See you guys. So fit check for the day. This is gonna be the drip for the day. You know, this is how we're gonna be dressing today, alongside this little beanie and sweater, because it's a little bit cold here in Texas. So it's almost 7 a.m. and what I'm going to do now, after I woke up, I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna eat breakfast. I usually don't eat breakfast during weekdays, but my wife will literally be upset at me if I pay almost $500 for this hotel and I don't use everything that they have to offer. So yeah, we're gonna get it going, man. The first day of the conference is today. See you guys.
marketing charity. We are not making a penny off of it. Now, a couple things that I will say.
So for context, what is happening right now is they just finished the opening ceremony and keynote to start the event. And what Danny Thompson decided to do is, before we get going, for us to take a group picture. So another thing that they are doing in the event is that they are giving for the first 2 hours free professional headshots for audience members of the event.
To start organizing an event in Las Vegas, which happened on Monday, and I wanted to find partners. And the reason we were doing it in Las Vegas was because
keeping things as consistent as possible and portable. You want to be able to leverage the same dashboards, alerts, and workflows regardless of if you're in a Kubernetes cluster or a VM. And you want deployment and addition of the...
It's very simple. It's not always easy. It's not always easy, but it is very straightforward. Every time we publish something, you're going to be hit with a barrage of well actuallys. Well, actually. Oh wow, which means how long ago?
I'm talking about artificial intelligence that can perform tasks without direct human intervention or supervision. And many of us are using AI every day.
In the classified ads and saw an advertisement for Java Mud.
That is crazy.
On the second
That's
Wednesday.
How you used to advertise.
That's how I found out. That's how back in the day. And anyhow, but I've been a part of Java Mud for attending.
By Friday, I decided to take the exam on Saturday. That's how I planned. I fly back from Boston to Dallas on Friday afternoon, and then take the exam on Saturday.
I'm going to take my repo and my app that I built and point it to Vercel or Netlify, and then move it on its way. There's so much behind the scenes that we don't get to see that I build on a daily basis that you're going to get a little bit of a taste of, and also try to understand a little bit of the networking. But anyways, my name is Marino Vijay. I am a solutions architect at a company called Kong.
She just started thinking, I was like, oh, I think that's good news for everyone.
I don't know how to girls in here wearing that. I am so bad.
It's so
I am dying.
So it's a little bit over 4 p.m. and today has been a packed day. So from 6:30 a.m. that's when I woke up. I went and had breakfast. Ever since then, I've been on the move the entire day. And today has been a fantastic day, guys. I've met a lot of great people from all different skill sets. And the best thing of all, there's different talks taking place at the same time throughout the day. So you don't necessarily are forced to go to just one. So you decide to which one you want to go and you just go to that one. So today I focused on cloud architecture and learning more about the cloud, because I think it's a tool that I need to learn and improve at to become a better software engineer. And in addition to that, today they offered free profile pictures by a professional photographer. So I got a shot today for free. And yeah, it's been a great day. Met a lot of great people. And at this point, I'm just currently waiting for the last talk of the day, which is going to be led by Danny Thompson and Leon Noel. And then after that, once the event is over at 5 p.m., they actually have scheduled get together at a place called Legacy Hall, where all of us are going to go and, just keep going. We're going to go have dinner and just get to know each other even more, maximize the event and get the most out of the experience. So yeah.
So we were toying with ideas for this pod, and we kind of had a moment just now where this entire conference has been against pretty much the idea of like taking in questions because we didn't want to disrupt any of the speakers. Well, I felt like, and we kind of felt like, it was
Exactly. Same concepts. Living upstairs, shop downstairs.
Wow.
Welcome.
Wow. Wow, so cool. So I just got back from a Legacy Hall. It was very fun. I met new people that are attending the event that I actually didn't see at all today. So it was a very nice experience. Now I just got back to my room. I had dinner at Legacy Hall. So the strategy now is leave my bags here and I'm gonna head back to the room 402. There are some people from the conference in that room chilling. So hey, let's go and let's enjoy and have some more fun. So yeah, I'm gonna do that and see you guys tomorrow for day number 2 and the last day of the Commit Your Code conference. Day number 2, fit check. Look at my shirt, purple, white pants, and my Hokas. I love the brand. My wife loved the shirt. She's the one who picked it. And I don't know if I showed you guys in the clips yesterday, but this is the badge that we are wearing at the Commit Your Code conference. Look how cool it is. So this is something I'm really gonna cherish and save. This is my first tech conference, and yeah. So the strategy right now is I'm gonna go downstairs, have some breakfast, and then I'm gonna come again to my room to get my bug bag, my sweater, my watch and stuff. But yeah, today's the last day of the event and I'm super pumped. See you guys later. Good morning.
Good morning.
Izzy.
Andy.
Second day. I love it so far, the experience.
Yeah.
That's good.
This is my first tech conference.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. I came from New York City. Yeah. Here we go, the keynote. This is a massive room. It is.
Yeah, I mean, world right now, you decided to hang out with us, and that means a lot to me. So without further ado, I'm going to introduce the incredible Tim Banks.
Anybody using event-driven architectures or building event-driven applications in general? I'd say if you're like working on modern web apps, it's almost impossible to avoid that kind of event-driven flow. And even if you're building, say, a React app.
All right, sorry for the delay there, folks.
No worries.
All right, welcome everybody, and thanks for coming to my talk today, which is one of their latest models for generating embeddings. This is what it will return. Now, if you look at it, it's huge, right? The vector that it generates is very large, and we don't need to be worried about that. You know, it's a very large multi-dimensional space, but again, it does this automatically for us.
About Java features that you were missing out on. And this is specifically targeting those features that are after JDK 8. And specifically, I'm targeting JDK 8 because most enterprises specifically like to target long-term support. And that means that Oracle's going to give you more support. If you do have an issue, you don't have to worry about having to deal with those nuanced problems. You can call Oracle and be like, hey, we have some problems.
In several ways: efficiency, relevance, and cost savings. My name is Jesse Hall. I'm a staff developer advocate at MongoDB. You might also know me from YouTube as a code stacker. If you haven't heard of my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate it. With their prompt is create vector embeddings for their prompt. We want to put their prompt in that same virtual space as our.
41. I was only at 2 wins in that simulator, like, so it's a great chance. Yeah.
Responsible for managing hundreds of thousands of lab samples every single year. So this is a forensics laboratory. We would test petroleum samples. So a client would send in a sample from anywhere in the US, and then we would test that sample on these very complicated machines, and then we would send the results back to the client. So I had a man
2 years ago, and the thing that I wanted the most was a mini cow. No particular reason why. I just thought they were so stinking cute. Like, cow noses are just so adorable. So I really wanted a mini cow. So you can see this is really.
Look at the monolith image on the left, right? There are 3 teams: the card team, website team, and payment team. All of their code is in one repo, one deployment, one schedule, like one node package, like they're sharing everything.
So it's almost 4 p.m. and the event ends at 5 p.m. I'm not going to lie, my brain is fried. To put it in perspective, I usually go to sleep by 10 p.m. and ever since I got to Texas, I've been going to sleep every day anywhere between 2 a.m. and 1 a.m. And on top of that, waking up at 6:30 a.m. So I'm running on low levels of sleep, but I'm not going to lie, guys. I'm so happy and glad that I came to this conference because it's been completely worth it. And today I did the same thing. I went to different talks, and the best thing about this event is that they record all the talks. So if you missed one, it's okay. You can go to the YouTube channel and you can see it streamed there. So right now we like 1 hour away from being done with the conference. It's crazy. The 2 days flew by so quick, but you know, I'm excited that I came here, and I think the plan is after we are done with the conference, I think we're gonna get the final get together, and I'll be heading back to New York tomorrow in the afternoon. So yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you guys. See you guys later.
Share everything that I kind of gained through this. I want to be sharing a couple things. Number one, the exact total amounts that we got in sponsorship money. I want to share the exact totals that we got in ticket sales, the exact totals that we're going to be giving to charities that everybody's aware of, and I want to share some of the negative feedbacks that we've gotten. If anything else has come in, kind of chime in on that one. So it's kind of.
And I'm recording this now for transfer. Yeah, make some noise for Abra. All right, so we locked it. Let me turn this thing around, and let me zoom out, I guess, so that way everybody sees.
Drum roll!
Drum roll, please.
Oh my God, I'm nervous. I deserve it, man.
The fire alarm is going to go off again.
Nope.
All right, who is this? Reem and Reem.
You get it for the gram? No, for my wife's. I'm eating good stuff, but she happy for me.
For another big drink that's for one person, there is an $18 drink for one person called a party bowl. You can the whole bottle. Because, you know, it pays decent, but I know I can always Uber forward and get more out of places. But with as is right now, this is the place to work. Something's pretty.
I'm not sure if you guys are able to see by looking at my eyes, but I'm super tired. I just got back to the hotel room. It's almost 12 a.m. So basically after the conference was over, we went to a bar where we got to spend some more time with people that attended the conference, which was an amazing success. And from there, we went to a Korean barbecue to have dinner. And from there, we came back to the hotel to room 402, which is basically the get-together room for everyone in the conference that is staying at this hotel. So yeah, it's officially over and I leave tomorrow. The only bad thing is that my plane leaves at 7 p.m. and I have to check out of the hotel by 11. So I'm gonna have some free time in between. Good morning. So as you can see, bags are packed. And technically now I'm just gonna go downstairs, eat some breakfast. And like I told you guys earlier, my checkout is at 11 a.m. but my plane doesn't leave until like 7 p.m. So I'm gonna have some free time. But I think this is basically it for the YouTube video. So I hope you guys enjoyed my experience going to my first tech conference. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and see you on the next one. Peace. So I thought that the last clip for this video was going to be the one in the bedroom early in the morning when I went to have breakfast, because I was supposed to leave by 6:57 p.m. and I came to the airport at 4 p.m. like a good boy, and 15 minutes after arriving I get told, well, your flight is delayed for 3 hours. So now I gotta wait here and do absolutely nothing. And now my plane leaves at 9:20 p.m. So now basically what I'm going to do is, I mean, there's not much that I can do. So I'm just gonna wait here in the lobby. And believe it or not, I've been literally for the past hour, I've been going up and down the gates. So I've been going all the way to gate number 40, all the way to number 1, back and forth because I'm just like bored. And yeah, I'm trying to like burn some energy, that way I can have some Chick-fil-A, but I'm not hungry yet. So yeah, I think this now we're gonna end the video and my experience going to the MrItzreal conference. So yeah, see you in the next one, guys. Peace.